So guys, my cat really likes these Nerf bullets, so let me just show you. Ate it. Go eat it. Just wait. He loves those. He will eat. He literally ate one of those. Like, those are his drugs. I mean, like, oh my gosh. He is hooked.